To prepare a phantom lesion, cut a 6 by 6 inch piece of cardboard to serve as the base plate. Cover the base plate with a layer of caulk half an inch thick. Then, cut a piece of banana 2½ inches long and press it gently into the caulk. The banana serves as the phantom lesion core. Completely embed the core in caulk without trapping air bubbles. Cover the core with a piece of plastic wrap and shape it into a smooth mound. Let the caulk mound cure in a warm place. After the caulk is firm and cured, peel off the plastic wrap. Practice FNAB Proficiency to retrieve specimen from the banana core and practice smear preparation.
I am Dr. Vinod Shidham from Cytopathology Division at the Department of Pathology at Medical College of Wisconsin.
And I'm Dr. George Varsegi, a cytopathology fellow in the same department.
Today we'll be demonstrating a procedure to prepare a phantom lesion for practicing proficiency in FNAB procedure performance by using easily available and simple tools and material.
We generally use this technique to introduce cytopathology fellows and pathology residents to the fine needle aspirate biopsy procedure. Later on in their training, fellows and residents will hone their skills by performing fine needle aspirates on clinically palpable lesions under the supervision of faculty.
So let's get started.
Prepare the phantom lesion 1 or 2 days before your anticipated FNAB practice session. Before you start, have ready on the bench a piece of cardboard, a caulking gun, an unpeeled banana, and saran wrap.